Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could downgrade back to iOS 18.5 from iOS 26. As you all know, iOS 26 is very laggy, so I can see why you would want to downgrade. First, you're going to want to download the latest version of iTunes. So I go to iTunes.com and press get it from Microsoft and press download. Okay, once you're done that, go to s ipsw.me. Press whatever device you want to do this on. For me, iPhone. I'll press whatever iPhone you have. For me, I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone 12. And make sure it's a signed IPSW. Make sure it's signed, and you're gonna want to press on this. Press download. Once you download that, connect your phone. Let me just connect my phone. You're gonna need a computer for this, by the way. So you're gonna want to connect your phone to your PC. Okay, once you connect your phone, you want to go to summary. You do that by pressing this little button right here. Once you're in summary, on your computer, you're gonna need to make a backup. So just make a backup for your computer. Okay, I already made a backup, so I don't gotta do it. But once you made a backup, like press backup now, and then yeah, do all that. But once you're done that, press shift, press restore iPhone while pressing shift. Okay, so you're gonna hold shift and then click on restore iPhone at the same time. It's gonna bring up this. Go to wherever the IPSW is. So you see the thing I made you download before from ipsw.com. You're gonna want to press on that, and you're gonna press restore, and now it's starting to restore. Okay, so do not do anything right now. Don't touch your phone. Just like you're gonna want to just go, like maybe like go grab a coffee, go eat or something, and then once it's done, you're gonna want to back up your phone. And I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory. So I'll see you guys in the video. Bye.